Hi everybody, I am here today to share with you my new mini album. This is made with Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Coastal Collection. This is part of my FotoBella design team project, so I will link those products in the description box below if you want to purchase the stuff to make this album. I also have a tutorial listed on my Etsy shop, which I will list in the description box below as well. So this album has 4 pocket pages. It has a 6 3/4 by 6 1/4 inch size. It has a 2.5 inch spine. So you can see that it has some of the elements, the chipboard stickers, some of the brads, some of the foam stickers. I've used the entire Simple Vintage Coastal collection to make this album. It holds 60 photos inside. So when we open the first cover, these are just some of the foam stickers. You could place a photo here. You could have made this a pocket if you wanted to. I went with just some plain stuff here so you could see some of the paper. This is one of the stickers from the sticker booklet. There are no magnets used in this album, so I have instead used brads and twine to make closures. So for people who don't like to use magnets or don't want to buy them, there's a different way to design your mini albums. I've used some of the journaling cards in here, but there are not really very many spots for journaling. This first flap flips up. There's room for 2 photos here. It is open. This is one of the chipboard, or this is one of the die cut pieces, one of the stickers here. 2 more photos here, one on the flap, and then a photo mat here for photos on both sides. I like that you can use stickers here to make the journaling cards or the photo mats a little bit more decorative. These also help, so it's very plain with the paper until you add these extra elements. You can also decorate your album however you choose. If you do by the tutorial, you can personalize it with those different decorative pieces. There is a photo mat in each of the pockets. They're the same. They have 1 large photo on the front and then 2 smaller photos on the back. Here we have a waterfall, room for 3 photos, room for another photo here. You could add a journaling card or just leave it like that. And then in the pocket on the side, there is another photo mat with some of the different decorative pieces. In this page here, there's a little photo booklet in the front for some smaller photos. They will hold wallet-sized photos, and then you'd have to trim down your 4x6 photos for the larger spots, and there's 4-inch photo spots as well. This swivels up for 2 photos. This next one will swivel again for a larger photo, and then the third one, the base of the page, room for another photo. Again, in the pocket, a large photo mat, 2 small ones on the back. Here we have a pocket with another small photo booklet. There is room that you could do another photo mat here to add more photos or journaling. This flap flips up. There is a belly band on the base of the page with a photo mat. And then here we have another closure, room for 3 photos. On this next page, we open this, we see 3 photos. Then this opens again. This is room you could journal or you could just leave it like that. Then this opens again, so there's a whole entire spread here. And then in the pocket, another photo mat. The next page, we have a flip up that has room for 3 photos here. And then behind the large belly band, there is a photo booklet with room for 2 photos. This photo booklet will stay down tucked behind this little tab here so it won't fall out of the page. We have here a photo mat or a room for photo here, and then 2 photo mats in the pocket that hold 4 by 5 photos. In the pocket, we have the final pocket photo mat. And then the back page, there is a photo mat in the pocket. This is one of the chipboard stickers. This flap opens up for a photo. These are some chipboard stickers as well, and then a photo spread. So this is just a quick flip through. If you are interested in purchasing the tutorial for the album, like I said before, this is in the description box below. If you would like to purchase the Simple Vintage Coastal Collection, I will link those products in the description box below through the FotoBella website. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was inspiring to you. So thank you for watching and have a great day.